love what we do, we love the show. Sobrang nag-enjoy din po kami. And you guys, I think this is a great way to close this.
To wrap up this
To wrap
night,
up
yeah.
this. This has been such a great audience, guys!
Opo.
Maraming salamat po.
Again, a massive thank you to the Filipino channel for bringing us
Thank you
here.
po.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, TFC!
Of course, ABS-CBN Events for bringing us all the way here to Redwood City to share this amazing night with our beloved Kapamillas.
Yes, and we'd also like to give a big shout out to our amazing band under direction of the one and only Laurie and Lucy on guitar. And once again, po, here on guitar, we got Carlos Hamber and Francis Salvador there on drums. Thank you so much. And thank you as well to our powerhouse dancers. Sobrang, level up din yung, natin
Yes.
got their energy.
Sama natin sila kagabi sa
Pachanga,
You're here with us today in LA.
Yes.
In San Jose.
And
Hindi na alam ko nasa.
Yes, thank you. At syempre po, maraming salamat din po to our producers, of course, and the sponsors for making Showstoppers here in Redwood City possible. Let's please give them a big round of applause.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming
Of
salamat.
course, we hope to be able to bring Showstoppers to more cities and party with more of our kapamillas and kababayans all over the world. And it's bittersweet always ending or wrapping up a tour, but of course we hope to be back here for all of you kapamillas. Maraming salamat po again. And our personal thank yous, I'd like to thank as well my road manager at the Yannies for being here, and also my mom, Anjan siya backstage.
Yes, and for me naman po, of course, my hair and makeup, Miko Dakanay, and my husband is here also, and he's been filming throughout the rest of the shows and all of Showstoppers.
Throughout the whole tour.
Dave Lamar, thank you so much. Love you, Papa, thank you. We'd also just like to give a huge shout out also to Tita Lerma, thank you so much po. Sir DJ, thank you so much
Yeah.
po. Everybody at the KC, thank you. To everyone, thank you
Everyone
so
behind the scenes,
much.
Bersa Enterprises, maraming
Yes,
salamat po.
maraming salamat.
And to Sir Jun Del Rosario, who is
Sir
here,
Jun,
one of our
thank you
bosses.
po.
Maraming salamat
Thank you
po
for
Sir Jun
joining
for
us
that
here.
message before we
Yes.
stepped on stage tonight. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. And so, we'd like to give you this very special number po, with these next couple of songs.